If you have constant struggles with prompts in your N8N, Make.com, or any other types of automations, I have a really interesting and quite simple solution for you. My name is Eugene, and here is the Dymex Academy, where we teach people how to properly use automation in the marketing, business, and all types of workflows. Subscribe to this channel to get more information, and let's get started. So basically, what we've created and what we would like to share with you is called self-updating prompt. And the concept of it is really simple. We basically ask the neural network, ChatGPT, Claude, or any other type of LLM which you are working with, to double check its own prompt and rewrite it based on the information we have through analytics, through the feedback, or any other thing. So basically, here is the simple workflow which you can use and implement it in any specific workflows or automations in the systems. Basically, here it is triggered by the specific time. So it can be in the morning or in the evening. You can add to the specific steps as you wish. Then the system will go and take the specific cell in our Airtable. So here we have the columns like our prompt, our comments, improvements, and score. So basically, the system takes the information from the prompt, which you can previously add to this column or cell using the previous automation steps. Then the next step is to use the AI agent to scan it and basically analyze it based on the specific prompt. You can create and use this prompt, or you can create your own. And basically, as the result, you receive the information in a raw format about the score, which is put based on the quality of prompt and the potential improvements which the system offers you to implement. Basically, we receive it now on the raw format, and we need to convert it into the specific type. So basically, that our automation understand that the score is one specific cell and the improved ideas is another cell. And basically, by splitting that, we can use these things and these numbers and text to put them in specific columns in our workflow. And basically, after that, we update the row. So we update the score, which we put on the previous step and analyzed it. And basically, we proved our comments, so basically improvements of this specific prompt. So what it means is that we took the information, we analyzed that. Here you can also add the analytics, you can add the feedback, you can add the additional webhooks from your, for example, messages, tickets, database, anything which you would like. And then we update that. Next, we have the second agent, which actually uses all this information. So it uses this score and it uses our comments to rewrite the prompt and update on the next step here our cell with a prompt. So basically, as a result, we took the information, analyzed it, put the mark, rewrite it, and update the cell. This workflow is quite powerful because basically you can use it in any type of automation where you need to improve the quality of your prompt. It can be like the analysis of the specific data, marketing information, operational, finance, etc., where in previous steps you needed human in the loop. Of course, you still need the person who is experienced and qualified enough for that, but it can basically decrease the amount of time you spend on tuning your prompts. And by doing that, you can actually create the self-improvement system which can autonomously work with least amount of time you spend. So let's see how this works. For example, we use the prompt. Let's cut it in half. And basically, here is our prompt: create and craft a detailed data-driven case study specifically focused on small businesses with 5 to 50 employees, highlighting measurable outcomes to enhance credibility. And we basically run our automation. It grabs the prompt and it analyzes it. So as we can see, it provides some kind of improvements. We can go here to understand it better. And basically, it offers the specific points which need to be specified, right? And it puts the score. So basically, right now, our prompt is scored 5 out of 10, right? And after that, we take the information and it rewrites with the output based on the information. And it updates the cell. So as we can see, our prompt has been updated. And basically, if we go here, we see that our score has been increased. So basically 6 out of 10 right now instead of 5. And we see that our prompt have changed. So basically it became more clear and more focused on the specific things. And there are more details here, right? But anyway, the score is still pretty low. So basically, in order to tune it, you can run this automation, for example, for like 2 or 3 times, or maybe after a certain period of time. So you basically will tune it up to like 8, 9, or 10. By adding additional context here, you can drastically increase the quality of your automations and as a result, your final outcomes. Hope this was useful. If you have any ideas or questions, please leave a like and comments below. And if you would like to get this prompt for yourself, please subscribe to our Substack and you can find it there as well. So thank you so much and see you soon.